Jai Srimanarayana.
Jai Srimanarayana.
41st sloka of 2nd chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi ekeha kurunandana bahusakhahi anantascha buddhayah avyavasayinam Om. Highest achievements are possible if you work with single pointed determination, with concentrated mind. Sri Krishna Paramatma also gives the best option in 18th chapter, asking every one of us to surrender to him alone. Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us give a word to Sri Krishna Paramatma, saying that, Ho Srimanarayana, I shall work with single pointed determination with concentrated mind to achieve highest goals in my life, and also the ultimate goal of my life. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Srimanarayana, I shall act according to your word. Karishye vachanam tava sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi Narayanam Namaskritya Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayam Vudirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, one of the sons of Vaivasvata Manu is Sharyati. Sharyati is such a great king, and also he is very much enlightened and learned person. Saryatir Manavo Raja Brahmishtaha Sambabhuvaha. And he has one daughter, her name is Sukanya. Along with his daughter, one of those days Saryati went to Chyavana Maharshi's ashramam. There, Sukanya was wandering here and there along with her friends, and she noticed there two lights coming out from a snake pit. Then she took one small stick and because she is so child, she poked into those two holes of the snake pit, and with that it started bleeding. The moment she did that, immediately all the soldiers of Shariati, their both urinary and excretion, those parts were totally closed. So after noticing that, Shariati started asking everyone. He kind of understood that some wrong thing has been done by someone in that Chavana Maharshi's ashramam. That is why this kind of bad things are happening. So he inquired everyone who has done what. Then his daughter Sukanya, while getting scared, she said to her father that I poked into that snake pit, so it started bleeding. Like that, when she said, Shariati started getting scared. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishno rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishnena marasatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 2nd chapter, 41st sloka. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi ekeha kurunandana bahusakha hyanantascha buddhayo vyavasayinam. Vyavasayatmika buddhihi ekeha kurunandana bahusakha hyanantascha buddhayo vyavasayinam. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.